Hello, and welcome to today's tips and tricks. Today we'll be using looking Powerselect along with depressions to grab troublesome geometry. So let's zoom on to this indented text. You can see if we select on that too, we can't fill it. And that's because we didn't select on the entire depression. So instead, I could box select it, and now when I hit fill, the entire thing will be removed. So another way we could look at doing this is to go to Powerselect, and here you can locate the depression, and you can also fill that in. But if you have more indented text on the model, you might want to select on one of those bottom faces, and you can see all of the indented text here, and we can select on all of the coincident faces. So I'll select on the top one to grab all of them on the model. Now remember, if we just hit fill here, it won't work. So now with all of those selected, we'll look at the different types we can select and choose depressions. So you can see that now there's a depression located for every one of those coincident faces. And if I shift select the top and bottom ones, we can grab all of those depressions and fill them in all at once, greatly simplifying the time that it would take us to go through and box select all of those different areas. Now let's also look at some of the holes we have on the model. So if I select one, let's go back and filter it to all types, we can grab all of the equal radius holes that are on the model. So now if I go to fill, we can try to remove all of these as well. So we'll let fill go through, and some of them were removed, but we saw that some also failed. So I want to try again, and here it's indicated an area that failed. And if I zoom in, you can see that that hole also has some other faces. So we probably want to grab that not as just a hole, but as a depression. So we'll go through, switch to depression, and here we can see how it's found several other depressions on the model. So again, we'll do the same thing as before and shift select the top and bottom to grab all of these other holes in the model and remove them all at the same time. So by using some of the different Powerselect options, you can see how you can quickly go through and defeature a lot of the different areas on the model. I hope this has been beneficial, and thank you for watching today's tips and tricks.